Since I was a child, I tried to be the best. So what happened? My family and friends all said I was blessed. So what happened? It was all supposed to be so exciting to be teaching of Christ across the sea, but I allowed my faith to be shaken. Oh, what's the matter with me? I've always longed to help the needy, to do things I never dared. This was the time for me to step up, so then why was I so scared? A warlord who shoots people in the face. What's so scary about that? I must trust that my Lord is my dear and always has my back. Now I must be completely devout. I can't even have one shred of doubt. I believe that the Lord God created the universe. I believe that He sent His only Son to die for my sins. And I believe that the ancient Jews built boats and sailed to America. I am a Mormon, and a Mormon just believes. You cannot just believe part ways. You have to believe in it all. My problem was doubting the Lord's will instead of standing tall. I can't allow myself to have any doubt. It's time to set my worries free. Time to show the world what Elder Christ is about and share the power inside of me. I believe that God has a plan for all of us. I believe that plan involves me getting my own planet. And I believe that the current president of the church, Thomas Monson, speaks directly to God. I am a Mormon, and a Mormon just believes. I know that I must go and do the things my God commands. I realize now why He sent me. If you ask the Lord in faith, He will always answer you. Just believe in Him and have no fear. I believe that Satan has a hold of you. I believe that the Lord God sent me here. And I believe that in 1978 God changed His mind about black people. Be a Mormon who just believes. And now I can feel the excitement. This is the moment I was born to do. And I feel so incredible to be sharing my faith with you. The scripture says that if you ask in faith, if you ask God Himself, you'll know. But you must ask without any doubt and let your spirit grow. I believe that God lives on a planet called Kolob. I believe that Jesus has His own planet as well. And I believe that the Garden of Eden was in Jackson County, Missouri. If you believe, the Lord will reveal it, and you'll know it's all true. You'll just feel it. You'll be a Mormon, and by God,